Hey guys, PK Patel here from Midwest Corporate Credit. Today I'm going to tell you about the 3 C's of lending. Do you want your business line of credit or your business loan approved? Well then listen up. I'm going to tell you exactly what the underwriters are going to look for when you submit an application. So here we go, the 3 C's: cash flow, credit, and collateral. Alright, so what does this mean? Let's elaborate each one and break it down by itself. The first one being cash flow. Under cash flow, you have top line, which is gross revenue, and you have bottom line, which is the net income of the business. So what's going to happen is the underwriter is going to look at the bottom line, and then he's going to see if there's a profit or a loss. If there is a loss, he's going to ask if there were any capital improvements that were made or one-time expenditures that won't be repeated the following year. And he may or may not add those back in to increase the net income of the business. And then last but not least, he's going to look at what's called a DSCR, debt service coverage ratio, which is the net income of the business divided by the payment amount that the proposed loan is going to issue. So that is cash flow in a nutshell. Next, you have credit. Under credit, you have business owner's personal credit. So this is how the business owner manages their own finances, basically household finances. And then you also have business credit, which is how they've managed the company's credit thus far. Have they paid their bills on time? Are they keeping up with all the payments to their vendors and creditors? Things of that nature. And then last but not least would be the age of the company. So how old is the business? Obviously, the older the better. Next C is your collateral. So a collateral is nothing more than any asset that's securing the loan. So typically in a business setting, you're going to have a mortgage, a UCC filing, or any kind of equipment. So depending on what's pledged on the front end is what the bank or lender will take back in case you default on the loan. So there you go, guys. That's your basic underwriting, the 3 C's. Now, this could be confusing or overwhelming to some people, so I'm going to give you some suggestions. So here we go. Here's what I recommend. If you have a 750 or higher personal credit score, that's considered excellent. So go in with the 750. If you've been in business for at least 3 years or more, that's definitely a strong amount of years to be in business for. Obviously, like I said, the longer the better. And if you have a minimum of $300,000 in revenue, you have a pretty decent shot at getting your business loan approved. And of course, if you want me to do it for you, just head on over to applymidwest.com and click the Get Funded button. It's very simple. There's 6 fields. In fact, it's multiple choice. Fill that out, submit it, and I will see you on the other side.